tiny treasure, golden and brown, a gift from the earth, a humble crown. In fields of green, where soft winds play, you bloom and dance in the sun's warm ray. Ever heard of a tiny seed that's been nourishing civilizations for millennia? I'm talking about flax seeds. These little powerhouses are not just a trendy health food, they have a rich history and a wealth of benefits that deserve to be explored. While this represents the earliest known use of flax fibers, organized flax cultivation and linen production developed later in several ancient civilizations. Let's rewind to over 6,000 years ago, where flax seeds were revered by the ancient Egyptians. Cleopatra herself was said to use flaxseed oil for its beauty and health-boosting properties. But it wasn't just the Egyptians. Flax seeds spread across the globe, from the Greeks to the Romans and even to China along the Silk Road. Your petals sway, a sky-blue hue, a fleeting beauty, pure and true. Rich in omega, fiber, and grace, you nurture the body, the soul embrace. But deep within your heart, you hold a secret power, a story untold. In ancient Egypt, flax was considered sacred. Temple walls were adorned with paintings of flowering flax, and mummies were wrapped in linen made from flax fibers. The Babylonians used flax thread for weaving and the seeds for medicinal purposes as early as 2000 BC. Oh, flaxseed small, with might so vast, a healer of futures, a balm of the past. Rich in omega, fiber, and grace, you nurture the body, the soul embrace. The legendary Greek physician Hippocrates, the father of medicine, recommended flax for its ability to soothe digestive issues and promote overall well-being. Domestication in the Fertile Crescent around 11,800–11,300 BP. Extensive use in ancient Egypt, where flax was considered sacred and used for textiles and mummification. The cultivation and processing of flax were often surrounded by rituals and associated with divine figures. The cultivation of flax dates back to ancient times, with evidence of its use as far back as 30,000 years ago. Amorgina, a fine, muslin-like fabric made from a special type of flax grown on the island of Amorgos. It was highly prized for its fine texture and transparency. Let's rewind time to ancient Mesopotamia, around 3000 BC. That's where flax cultivation first took root. These seeds were so valued that they even made their way into ancient Egyptian diets and Roman medicine. The earliest evidence of flax fabric production dates back to prehistoric times, with the oldest known flax fibers discovered in a cave in the country of Georgia. These fibers are estimated to be over 34,000 years old, making them the oldest known fibers used by humans. This discovery suggests that the Caucasus region, specifically in what is now Georgia, was likely one of the first places where flax fabric was made in ancient times. Soft white linen, a fabric derived from the flax seed plant. In Greek mythology, the goddess Athena was associated with weaving, and she is often depicted wearing a finely woven linen peplos. The Fates, or moirae, were also portrayed as weavers clothed in white, likely linen garments. Linen, made from the flax plant, was one of the oldest known textiles in the ancient world. The production of linen was often associated with goddesses, particularly those connected to weaving and domestic arts. European expansion. The Slavic tribes were responsible for introducing flax cultivation to Eastern Europe, where they would finely hand-embroider linen shirts or dresses, and bringing flax seeds from Greece. They began cultivating flax in Eastern Europe, using it to produce various items such as fishing nets, ropes, sailcloth, and linseed oil. By the 10th and 11th centuries AD, flax cultivation had become widespread in Russia, where it was considered an important crop for both domestic and industrial purposes. Fast forward to the 8th century, and you'll find Emperor Charlemagne of Europe so convinced of flax seeds' health benefits that he made their consumption a law. Flax cultivation spread across Europe and played a crucial role in various cultures. Gauls and Celts learned flax cultivation from the Romans. Colonial era. The arrival of European settlers in North America marked a new chapter in flax cultivation. Flax was introduced to North America about 400 years ago. Early settlements in Jamestown, Virginia, and Plymouth, Massachusetts, quickly adopted flax cultivation. The Massachusetts General Assembly passed an act to encourage flax production as early as 1640. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution had a significant impact on flax cultivation. The invention of the cotton gin around 1800 led to a decline in flax production due to the increased efficiency of cotton processing. By the mid-1800s, flax growing had waned nearly everywhere in favor of cotton. Modern era. Recent events have shaped the current state of flax cultivation. In the late 1800s, European settlers brought flax to Canada's western provinces, where it thrived on newly broken prairie land. During the American Civil War, government and farm experts promoted flax cultivation, though with limited success. The rise of the linseed oil industry in the late 19th century created a new demand for flax seeds, shifting cultivation practices. These historical events demonstrate how flax cultivation has been influenced by technological advancements, economic shifts, and cultural changes throughout human history. Modern rediscovery. While flax lost some of its importance with the rise of cotton and synthetic fibers, it has experienced a resurgence in recent years as a superfood, due to its impressive nutritional profile. Fast forward to today, and flax seeds is experiencing a revival in the wellness world. They're packed with nutrients that offer powerful health benefits that range from improving heart health to boosting digestion, and even supporting healthy skin. They're packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your body. The amazing health benefits of flax seeds. Heart health. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that supports cardiovascular health. Regular consumption may help improve lipid profiles and lower blood pressure. Blood sugar management. Studies have shown that flax seeds can help reduce blood glucose levels in people with diabetes and prediabetes. Cancer prevention. The lignans in flax seeds have been associated with a protective effect against breast cancer. Brain health. Flax seeds may help improve symptoms of depression and increase BDNF, a protein that promotes nerve cell growth and maturation. Digestive health. The high fiber content in flax seeds can help alleviate constipation and promote overall gut health. Promotes skin health. Flaxseed oil is often used topically or taken orally to improve skin health, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Hydrates and nourishes the skin. Omega-3s help lock in moisture, which can reduce dry, flaky skin. Reduces acne and eczema symptoms. The anti-inflammatory compounds may help calm flare-ups of inflammatory skin conditions like acne, eczema, or rosacea. Reduces signs of aging. Flaxseed oil's antioxidants can help protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus slowing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Cleopatra inspired ancient skincare mask with flaxseed oil. Ingredients. Flaxseed oil 1 tablespoon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants. Honey 1 tablespoon, for moisturizing, antibacterial, and healing properties. Milk or yogurt 1 tablespoon, lactic acid to gently exfoliate and nourish the skin. Rose water, optional, a few drops, used for hydration and toning, often associated with Cleopatra's beauty routines. Instructions. Mix the ingredients. In a small bowl, combine flaxseed oil, honey, and milk or yogurt. Mix well until you have a smooth, creamy paste. If desired, add a few drops of rose water to enhance the soothing and toning effects. Apply to the skin. Cleanse your face thoroughly, then gently apply the mixture to your face, neck, and décolletage. Make sure to avoid the eyes. Leave on for 15-20 minutes. Allow the mask to sit on your skin for about 15-20 minutes so that the ingredients can work their magic. Rinse off. Wash the mask off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Benefits. Flaxseed oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, flaxseed oil can help reduce inflammation, hydrate the skin, and promote healthy, glowing skin. Honey. Moisturizes, heals, and has natural antibacterial properties, making it perfect for acne-prone or dry skin. Milk, yogurt. Contains lactic acid, which is a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead skin cells, leaving skin soft and smooth. Rose water. Known for its toning and anti-inflammatory properties, rose water helps balance the skin's pH and adds a refreshing finish. Why this might resemble Cleopatra's routine. Cleopatra was known for using natural ingredients in her skincare routine, including olive oil, milk baths, and honey. The high content of essential fatty acids in flaxseed oil would complement the hydrating and skin-soothing effects Cleopatra would likely have used in her skincare regimen. Nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds are packed with essential nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, lignans, powerful antioxidants. High-quality plant protein. Potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. Sprinkle on yogurt, blend in a shake, a whisper of wellness in all you make. In breads you rise, in muffins you shine, a sprinkle of health, a taste divine. You can sprinkle them on your salad, stir them into your smoothie, or even brew them into a soothing tea. The versatility is endless. Add them to smoothies or baked goods. Use flaxseed oil in salad dressings. Remember to grind whole flax seeds before consuming to maximize nutrient absorption. Here are some ancient recipes using flax seeds. Flax seeds were used in bread making as early as the 7th century BCE. Ancient Egyptians and Mesopotamians incorporated ground flax seeds into their bread dough, likely for both nutritional and binding purposes. Chrysocolla, Ancient Greece. This ancient Greek flaxseed candy dates back to at least the 7th century BCE. To make chrysocolla, toast flax seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 5-7 minutes until glistening. Combine toasted flax seeds with raw honey. Form the mixture into small cakes or balls. Flaxseed porridge, Ancient Russia. Flax has been a staple in Russian cuisine for centuries. A simple ancient porridge recipe, combine ground flax seeds with water or milk. Add honey, berries or fruits for sweetness. It is healthy and tasty. Flaxseed oil was widely used as a cooking oil in many ancient civilizations, including Egypt and parts of Asia. It was used for frying and as a base for dressings. Flaxseed tea, traditional medicine. While not strictly a recipe, flaxseed tea was used medicinally in various ancient cultures. Steep whole flax seeds in hot water. Strain and drink as a remedy for digestive issues. These recipes demonstrate the versatility of flax seeds in ancient cuisines and their long-standing recognition as a nutritious food source. From ancient lands, your journey long, a companion to hearts, to lives you belong. In every seed, a promise you keep, of strength, of life, of dreams so deep. Stay happy and seed healthy. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. Have you used flax seeds in your diet? What is your favorite recipe? Please write in the comment section below. Here's to you, O flaxseed dear, a tiny marvel, forever near. In your small form, the world finds grace, a golden gift, time cannot erase. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.